In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get notified whenever changes happen in Google Sheets so you never miss an important update. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. First, open the Google Sheet you want to track. Once you're inside, go to the top menu and click on Tools. From the drop-down, select Notification Settings, then click on Edit Notifications. This will open the panel where you control all your alerts. Now, choose what you want to be notified about. You can select any changes are made if you want updates whenever someone edits the sheet, or choose Form Submissions if your sheet is connected to a form. Next, decide how you want to receive notifications. You can choose email right away to get instant alerts or daily digest to receive a summary of all changes. Pick the option that fits your workflow best so you don't get overwhelmed or miss anything important. Once you've made your selections, click Save to apply a notification rule. And that's it. Your Google Sheets will now automatically notify you whenever changes happen, keeping you fully up to date without needing to check manually. If this helped you, give it a like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more quick and practical tutorials.